History. Hi, everyone. It's me with John Deere. We're talking about John Deere history today. This is the company's 180th year anniversary, so I thought it'd be a great time to take a look at how John Deere got started, how it grew from there, and where we are today. When most people think of John Deere, they think of our tractors. But did you know that before we made tractors, we were making plows? And when you really think about it, it makes sense because one of the biggest expenses on a farm is planting and harvesting crops. And even back in John's day, farmers were always looking for ways to improve those processes. John Deere was born on February 7, 1804, near what is now called Grand Detour, Illinois. He grew up on his family's farm and spent his life working in agriculture. Even as a young man, he recognized the need for better farming tools. Back then, farmers were using sharp moldboard plows, which worked okay in the sandy soil of the eastern United States. But as settlers moved further west, they encountered tougher, more compact soils that would often stick to the plowshares. Slowing progress and breaking the cast metal plows, John Deere wanted to change that. He began experimenting by trying to create a plow that would cut through the tough soil without turning and inverting it like a conventional moldboard plow. In 1837, he hit upon the idea of a self-scouring steel plowshare that would shed soil more effectively. The breakthrough came when Deere discovered that a polished steel blade would stay cleaner and would unclog or stick as much as the cast steel blades. He designed and built several different types of steel plows, including the self-scouring bottom plow, which had an angled cutting edge that allowed dirt to fall off the blade more easily, and the grasshopper plow, which featured a single large share that required less effort to pull. In 1848, John Deere received a patent for the steel plow, and it was around this time that he met with lumber baron and businessman Leonard R. Rose. Together, they formed a Deere & Company partnership. They established the first factory in a small town called Moline, Illinois, which was close to John's farm. That same year, they sold their first steel plow. It was the start of something big. The steel plow quickly became popular among farmers in the Midwest, who found that it was much easier to pull than the cast steel plows they were used to. By 1856, Deere & Company had expanded its product line to include all the major types of plows, as well as seed drills and other planting tools. By 1860, the company was selling around $1 million worth of products annually, but just 2 years later, during the Civil War, the company's sales dropped drastically. Many farmers were out of work as the nation's attention and resources were focused on the war effort. However, John Deere saw an opportunity to contribute to the Union cause and help win the war. He supplied the U.S. Army with thousands of plows to help feed the troops. This helped him keep his factory open and maintain employment in Moline. After the war ended, the company's sales began to climb again, and Deere decided to focus more on manufacturing rather than farming. By 1871, the company had grown so much that Deere and his partners incorporated it as the Deere & Company. With the legal structure in place, the company could raise capital to expand more quickly. The first stock in Deere & Company was sold to 32 investors in 1871 for $1 per share. Today, Deere & Company stock trades on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol DE. In the decades that followed, the company continued to grow and innovate, introducing new products to meet the changing needs of American agriculture. For example, in 1902, Deere introduced the first commercially successful rubber-tired tractor, which helped farmers work land more efficiently. In the 1940s, the company introduced a number of innovative designs, including the Model R, the first row crop tractor with front-wheel drive, and the Waterloo Boy, the first tractor with a diesel engine option. In 1960, Deere & Company acquired the construction equipment manufacturer, the Garner Holt Company. From that point on, the company began producing crawler tractors, loaders, backhoes, and eventually large constabulary equipment such as excavators, wheel loaders, and motor graders. In 1982, John Deere became the first company to introduce a successful GPS-guided tractor to the market. Farmers could use the system to accurately guide their tractors while planting or spraying crops, reducing waste and improving yields. Today, precision agriculture technologies are more important than ever. Whether it's variable rate technology, telematics, application mapping, or autonomous operations, John Deere continues to lead the industry in precision ag and data analysis tools that help farmers optimize every aspect of their operation. And of course, we can't talk about John Deere without talking about our iconic tractors. It's hard to imagine agriculture without them. Over the years, we've produced some amazing tractors, each one pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Today we're going to look at some of our favorites, starting with our newest addition to the family, the 8R 8RTM and 8RXTM series tractors. These high horsepower tractors range from 390 to 470 horsepower and have a maximum pulling power of 17,500 pounds. They feature the John Deere PowerTech PSS 13 6-liter engine with a max torque of 1,388 foot-pounds. The tractors also feature the advanced fully integrated 5429E transmission with 4 main operating modes. for semi-power shift ranges and for creeper gears per range, providing 16 forward and reverse speeds. Plus, these tractors come equipped with the Advanced Farming Technology package, which includes features such as the John Deere Operations Center, which allows farmers to manage and monitor their crops and equipment data in real time. Additionally, the 8RT and 8RX series tractors offer best-in-class visibility with unobstructed views to the right and left side, thanks to the low-profile design of the engine, hood, and fenders, and to the rear thanks to the optional rear view camera. The large floor area and low step height make it easy to get in and out of the tractor, and the comfort suspension seat with lumbar support and adjustable armrests ensures maximum operator comfort. But that's not all. These tractors also offer excellent serviceability with a convenient access door that provides easy access to major components and fluids. Also, thanks to the optional 615-gallon fuel tank, customers can reduce the number of fuel fill-ups needed for larger operations. Overall, the 8R, 8RT, and 8RX series tractors are a testament to our commitment to innovation and excellence. They provide farmers with the power, comfort, and technology they need to succeed in today's demanding agricultural environment. Alright, let's take a quick break from talking about tractors to answer a common question. Why is John Deere the best? Well, there are many reasons. We're a financially sound company that's been around for 180 years. We're known for making high-quality, reliable equipment that's built to last. And we're committed to providing excellent customer service and support. Plus, our advanced technologies such as precision agriculture tools set us apart from the competition and help farmers maximize their productivity and profitability. Now let's get back to talking about our awesome tractors. Let's take a look at the X700 series tractors. These tractors are designed for livestock producers, large custom operators, commercial users, and farmers with larger acreages who need a powerful, efficient tractor for heavy-duty field work. The X700 series tractors feature a powerful John Deere PowerTech PSS 9.7-liter engine with a maximum horsepower of 390 and a maximum torque of 1,245 foot-pounds. They also have a max lift capacity of 8,600 pounds and a max lift height of 169 inches. The X700 series tractors are also equipped with advanced transmission options including the Auto Power TM540, 16 forward and reverse speeds, and the Advanced Farming Technology package, which includes features such as the John Deere Operations Center and telematics capabilities. The X700 series tractors also offer excellent visibility, thanks to the low-profile design of the engine, hood, and fenders, as well as the optional rear-view camera. And just like our 8R series tractors, the X700 series offer best-in-class serviceability with a convenient access door that provides easy access to major components and fluids. In conclusion, the X700 series tractors are a great choice for farmers and ranchers who need a powerful, reliable, and efficient tractor for large-scale operations. So there you have it, just a glimpse into the rich history and exciting future of John Deere. From humble beginnings as a blacksmith shop to becoming a global leader in agricultural and construction equipment, John Deere has always put the needs of its customers first. As we look ahead to the next 180 years, we're excited to continue this legacy of innovation and excellence and to provide our customers with the equipment they need to succeed. Thanks for watching.